How to bold text on Instagram post. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and open the post that you want to edit text from and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen in the post. You will then see the edit option there, so tap on the edit option and further go ahead and select the caption that you want in bold and then tap on the copy option you see there. Now go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for bold text generator. Further tap on any of the links available here and then go ahead and paste your text that you just copied in the first text box, and in the next text box that appears you will see various bold texts. So go ahead and select any of the bold text font that you want to copy and paste it further on your Instagram post. So select your preferred font and then tap on the copy option you see there, and now go back to Instagram and then tap on the paste option you see there by simply tapping on the text box, and with this the text will be turned into bold as you can see here on the screen. So this is how you can bold text on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.